That's why we have Jollibee today, because I know it will
But I
boost your
finished-
morale. Like, right?
But I finished my exam like 1 minute before the timer ended.
Oh, come on, Chelsea. That's breathtaking. Like, how come? What did you do?
I was stuck on the question.
What is your exam today, Chelsea?
At, yun na nga bang inaano ko. Tapos puro reels eh.
Puro reels, K-pop, blue jeans. Doesn't help, Chelsea.
This is the last time we're going to fully study, like, locked in, Chelsea. You know, locked in? Palo.
The higher grade I go, the more locked in I am because it's more scary.
That's why you need to read. You need to read. You need not scroll up.
We have to go home and remove my clothes.
Why?
It's so hot.
So
You should feel how hot it is. No, I think you already know. Like as soon as I get out of school, the sun is on me.
Yeah.
because we're entirely black
But
and gray.
why are you not wearing a belt? No? There should be a belt, right?
No?
In your
They should
waist.
make one. If they don't want it outside, they should make it inside the clothes. You know?
Diba? Ang laki ng shortcut dito yun. So Arabic, Chelsea, ha? Which on which question you were stuck?
Let me remember.
Huh?
Let me remember.
You said you can remember everything.
Yeah, well, that was like, about like 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait. The one where you have to like do the division, then multiply it by another number, and then subtract it by a fraction.
Sino?
Ito sinusundan natin.
Merong nasa harap
Kaya
niya.
nga eh.
Kaya napapabalik siya. Hindi kasi to ano to state, relax mode to.
Then
Uy,
I was stuck on the multiplication question that you had to like. No, I was stuck on the division one, where after you get the results, you have to do multiplication on it and then subtract it with a fraction. That's what I was stuck on.
huwag ka na magstay ka lang dyan. Kasi pa dito tayo. Pero kailangan may camera pababa. 80 ka lang dapat. Tama lang yung huwag madali kasi may camera dyan. So mag-break ka rin. Huwag ka na mag-gas.
Like it was
Pwede kang mag-change brother. Pwede hindi.
Change dito.
Dito sa kabila.
Gagano ko rin naman at the end of the day.
Oh, kaso pa kayo tayo.
Yeah.
I thought you said you're going to go Sharjah.
So hot Chelsea tomorrow.
What's happening in Sharjah?
Remember tomorrow, your exam. Focus on your exam, Chelsea. No reels and swipe up like that. Shucks, dalawang signal dito. tunnel dito eh. Baka ito yung nakalink yung tunnel ng Sarnia. Lipat ka.
Lilipat ako.
Sakali mo. Okay.
Asian market.
Where?
It's the one where the people store is. So I think that's bit of Asian.
Which one?
The Asian.
Asian market?
Yeah, in Murjuma.
It's just the pop-up place where the K-pop stuff is.
K-pop and
Meron pala dito yung joining.
Kaya nga.
You know, Wingstop.
Yeah.
Our anniversary. In
Isang
July.
isang kamote.
Sir W.
Why you like it?
I saw one.
Hindi, wala na siyang option. May ano na lang. Sumingit na lang.
Hindi, dapat pumila siya sa tama ng lugar.
Hindi niya nga alam. Kasi iba-ibang daanan dito. Pag hindi ka dumaan dito, siguro ng mga 1 buwan or 3 linggo, 2 linggo. Iba na naman.
Magugulat ka na lang, may salib na. C15. That is the one na passing, through Meta. C15 or C18? Likuna?
Ikaw lipat ka. Yan, dito stay ka na lang. Hindi siya makapasok. Ito,
Hindi naman nakapasok.
joining siya eh.
Hazard siya na.
Ang gagawin ng tambay siya. Nissan Puro. Oo, baka sumakit tayo dito.
Where stop?
Ha?
Where stop meeting?
Abu Dhabi.
Here, what?
If
Because
you
when
go
you
Abu
stopped, my heart was stopped.
Dhabi, if you go Abu Dhabi, I can give you the card.
My heart was stopped. Oh, smart. Stop it.
I have an Abu Dhabi gold card.
Okay.
I have
And
the,
aren't we near to TBS? That one again?
Ha?
We're near to TBS, right?
TPS?
Yes.
Not that near, very far.
Well, this
Sa Mokais na?
Yeah.
Lapit-lapit.
this is permanent.
Ang malapit yung pwede mo lakarin. Ang layo-layo ng mga Isnapur yun eh. Dun pa yun eh. It's like,
in Sharjah?
I told you already, Sharjah, this is the Mohash na, this is the TPS. We're here. Okay? So it's like quite far. It's not like near that you can walk.
Of course not. I do not know.
Yeah, it's like near like there. But it is very far. Farther than the farthest
Farther from us to Burj Khalifa.
huh? No. It's like farther than that building.
Which one?
The farthest building.
Okay.
Tall?
Yeah. Oh,
They're all tall.
even on one of those tall things.
That's how far it is?
Ako, Chelsea, you don't just butt in, then just say your things because you're out of tune. Chelsea, you're always out of tune. Don't butt in, listen so you will learn. Because the more you butt in, Ano?
For everyone.
It annoys everyone.
Saan tayo?
Diretso. Kasi doon tayo sa ano eh, di ba? Pwede rin kakaliwa tayo sa ano. Wala naman traffic na yan kasi ano wala na school eh.
Ito naman, sinundan na naman kita eh.
Siya ba yun?
Oo.
Hindi siya yun. Di ba na?
Kasi niya yung sinusundan ko, sinilipay niya
Ay,
tayo eh.
pwede pa.
Ano ba tayo?
Buti wala sa likod.
Tagal.
Ate,
Pinagagalitan mo.
ate.
Ano sabi? Not going to the race. And hindi naman ako marunong magaling tumakbo. Sabi niya.
Binibigyan mo ng ano eh. Anong tawag doon ate?
Piloso po eh.
You are, the situation, you are turning it into something. Like, example, like, she's eating like a runner.
Chelsea, when we're
Like,
telling you
she's
something,
eating so fast. It's like she's like in a racing. So, she's like a runner. So, what do you call that? Hyperbole? Huh? What?
I don't know what you're trying
What the name of the, like, hyperbole, simile? Ito na ba yan? Hindi pa.
diretso.
Ha?
Purple.
Like comparison of things natin. Ha?
Simile or metaphor?
I'll change.
Metaphor is like when you use like and as, and then simile is no. Metaphor is when you don't use like or as when you're comparing, and then simile is like when you're using like or as. Like this girl was fast as a runner, or this girl,
Babae pala siya, mami.
Siya ba yun?
Oo.
and then metaphor.
Natutulog
is
eh.
like, But like comparing without like this girl was
But describing one thing in other, like, you're like eating, but you're I'm not in the other term, other word. Kayo mga nasa school, hindi kayo mag-aaral mabuti.
Nag-aaral mo, buti ang panganay mo. Kung sa Chelsea lang ang pilosopo. Pilosopo nga eh. Ay, pilosopo. Kasi nagagalitan mo. Huwag ka magmadali. Hindi naman ako marunong tumakbo. O, diba? Parang mga, pilosopong, when we're telling you something, Chelsea, listen. Don't answer back with those silly answers. We're not your classmates like you will talk back and just answer unnecessary words. Abanti ka konti para lumamig yung isip. Kasi ganun yun yung radiator. Pag stuck ka, hindi siya mani-compreso. Ngayon siya na. Tayo na. Ready ka. Change ka sa kaliwa. Sa kanan.
Umatak sa speed. Pwede mo na ako, student ka pa lang naman.
Ano expect mo yun sa hatak na ito? Mabilis umatak. 1.5 lang din. Tapos 4 tayo.
Hindi mo na.
Oo. Change. Huwag ka mag-signal. Patin na yun. Saan yung kuryente? kita kasi mahilig kang mag sagad eh.
So, 60.
Lipad ka, lipad ka.
60 ang maximum, 80.
Oo, syempre pero nag-80 ka eh. Ano ka?
60 lang to dati.
80 lang
Oh, hindi
maximum.
100.
60 lang to.
60 lang to.
Ano ba naman sinabi ko lang 80 lang ang maximum eh. Pwede ka lang lipad.
Lipat pa? Liliko ba tayo?
Ay, didiretso ba tayo?
Papa,
Eh, mas mabilis kung doon tayo dadaan sa atin eh. Kahit na mag-signal tayo ng isa.
naksingit.
Hindi, tama lang yan kasi dito yung singit. Yun yung sisingit yung mamaya.
Kaya, dami na.
Tulad ng mga
Singit yan, singit yan. Singit to.
Ano? Pareho? Eh, busog eh. Kung naman kumain ka ng isa't kalating spaghetti, may chicken ka pa.
Nag-aaway lang kanina, di ba?
Hmm?
Nag-aaway lang kanina.
So, paano yun? Sa Friday may order na. Sa Friday may order na. Tayo namin sa amin, nurse namin, ano nila pa, pwede ka ba magdala sa Friday?
Sino may sabi?
Bakit mga kasama mo ganun? Kasi di ba Friday?
Sabi ko makiaga. Sabi ko ba naka-ano ko, Beshing naka-live ako for a week. Pero may order kayo sa Friday.
Ah, sinabi mo? Galing mo
Ito
to.
kasi kanina binagsak ko na yun ng 6:30 ng 6:35 ng umaga. Hinarap ko na siya dyan.
Malalaman na lang natin kung may konti pa yun.
Uy, sumisingit.
Konti lang. Mga hindi lang alam. Mga hindi alam.
Mas mahaba ang pila natin mga uy. Listen na daw.
Hindi, matagal naman to.
May U-turn ba dito?
Oo.
Bawal, di ba? Kaya ba't parang nakatagal?
Hindi, may internet. May nag-YouTube.
Sabi ko,
May feeling mga matindahang ito.
oh, si kuya. Nakakirita ko.
Ano ba sabihin kasi? Road rage tayo sa'yo.
Ha?
Road rage tayo sa'yo. Masyado ka mainit eh. Kanina nasa tunnel tayo. Bumrek ako ng konti. Kaya parang ano siya eh. Pinakiramdaman ko bakit gumano. Kasi di ba pag nakita ko yung 40, bumrake lang ako ng 40 para bumaba siya. Kasi bibilis pa siya.
Baka kayo ito yung si Kuya.
Lipat ka na.
Pwede nga sila mag-date day. Mas
Parking na.
malapit. Hindi, malapit lang naman. Doon sa baba.
Lalakad sila sa ilog.
Iba ba? Tapos, sumunod sila sa
Kalikot. Ayun, dali.
ito yung huling mababaan. Ito na yung date day na. Iba pa to. Kung dito tayo dito na. Dito day nga. Hindi na, dito na. Yan pala sa F20 to F24. Na nababa.
Itong laging traffic tong daan na dyan.
Diyan nga kami napasugod ng Chelsea. Nung ano kami. Punta kami ng dito day. Sumakay kami ng FA. Sa DFC na pala ang punta.
Punta kay DFC.
Dito.
Next.
Oo, sabi ni Kuya, are you going to Pristine? Sabi niya, oh, you ride the wrong bus.
Right
Okay.
there.
Okay, sabi niya, bumaba na kayo dito, sumakay na lang ulit kayo dito sa may sa ano yata natin.
Hindi, ayun siya.
Iba to, nasa yung bus bag. Ano pa bayad natin?
Card.
Bag to. Binaba ko yung bag eh. Sa ako. Diba? Sa kanila yata. Sa kanila, dito ko yata dati nabigay yung bag sa kanila. Nasa iba.
Wala.
Eh, dito nga sa likod.
Oo, may inayos ko lang to. Hindi pa.